Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about some things to consider when you are selecting a platform for your blog. One of the great things about blogging is that there is an abundance of free platforms out there for you to use. If anything, the choice can be a little overwhelming. Once you've selected a platform, you're not exactly stuck with it, but it's a bit of a mission to migrate everything from one platform to another, so it's best to choose the right one to begin with. But how do you know which one is right? Here are some things for you to think about. Number 1, cost. If you're just starting out, you're probably looking for a free option, and there are many out there. Free options are not strictly free though. Someone has to pay to maintain them, and most of the time that money comes from ad revenue. So you may have ads appearing on your blog, and you don't get to control that. Most platforms do have subscription-based paid options that give you more features and take away the ads. Secondly, how easy is the platform to use? Some platforms do everything for you. All you do is put in the title, the image, and the blog post itself in the spaces provided. Others need varying degrees of technical knowledge. Third, what features are you looking for? Do you want the ability to post videos as well as blogs? Do you want to run e-commerce on your blog? Do you want to post opinion polls or photo slideshows or have discussion forums? Different platforms offer different features. Fourth, how easy is it to maintain the blog? Here you want to consider things like automated backups, whether you can change the design of your blog if you want to, whether you have space limitations, whether you have to put extra security measures in place. And fifth, how easy is it to monetize a blog on the platform? Some have easy integration with third-party apps, some don't even allow monetization, some allow it, but it's difficult. Those are the main factors to consider. I will put an article about this in the description, and I will also add a link to a comparison table that I've put together. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.